Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my crochet creative studio. For today I prepared a video tutorial how to crochet this super easy mesh cover up, which you can very easily customize. I used yarn Kartopu, Lotus Lux satin care with the lurex thread, and this is the rest of one skein which I used for the size small, medium, small women size. Actually, it's a really big rectangle or a square. You can very easily customize the width and the length of this beach cover up, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to crochet this small flower pattern, which you can place between the chain spaces. On the places you choose, you can have more or less flowers in the row, and more or less rows with these flowers, and there are the strings around the neck and also around the waist. The width is at least make it wider to cover your breast, and I crocheted the width, which is the circumference around my waist. So guys, this is it, super easy. I will use only trebles, double trebles, and the chains and single crochet stitches. So the basic stitches, it's everything you need to know. It's absolutely perfect for beginners and for everybody who loves summer crocheting and mesh cover-ups and mesh tops. So guys, if you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video. You can reach me also on my other social media. I'll give you the QR codes at the end of the video tutorial as always. So guys, happy crocheting, and see you at my next video tutorial very soon. Bye! I will crochet with the yarn Kartopu Lotus Lux Satin Touch. In one ball there are 100 grams and 340 meters. The color is K940, and the consumption is 96% anti-piling microfiber and 4% lurex yarn. You will need 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, some stitch markers, and a pair of scissors and sewing needle. We will start with a foundation chain, and I will crochet with 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. You can make this chain as long as you need for your size. Let's measure the width or the circumference of your waist, and the number of stitches or the chains is a multiple of 3 plus 1, and we will need one turning chain. In this sample I will crochet 19 plus 1, and in the second chain from the crochet hook let's make a half double crochet, and then work half double crochet in each chain. So you will finish with 19 chains, which is a multiple of 3. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19. So 19 stitches, and I will crochet a mesh pattern in next row, and chain 4 at the beginning is a treble. Now let's crochet with crochet hook 2.5 millimeters. So chain 4 plus chain 2, then your work, yarn over twice, skip 2 stitches, and into the next one make a treble. Perfect. Then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 stitches and make treble into the next stitch. Chain 2, skip 2 and make a treble into the next stitch. Chain 2, skip 2 and make treble into the next stitch, and again chain 2, skip 2 and work a treble into the next. You can make this row as long as you wish for your size. Okay, and the treble into the last stitch. And in my size, small or small medium size, I crocheted 44 chain spaces. In this sample I have 6 chain spaces. Then chain 4, which is the first treble, chain 2, which is chain space, then your work, and let's make treble on the top of the treble from the previous row. So we will create small windows. Now let me show you the pattern. Chain 5 and I will crochet a double treble now. So make yarn over 3 times and into the next stitch make 3 double trebles together. Okay, yarn over 3 times and don't finish the stitch, make yarn over 3 times again and don't finish the third stitch, and we will join 3 double trebles together. So make yarn over and pull yarn through all loops on your crochet hook. Perfect. Then make yarn over 3 times. We will crochet double treble, skip next stitch and work into the next treble. And again let's make 3 double trebles together, or let's say the cluster of 3 double trebles. So yarn over 3 times, don't finish the stitch. This is the third one, so make yarn over and pull yarn through all loops on your crochet hook. Perfect. Then chain 5 and make a treble into the next stitch, and let's finish the row. Chain 2 and treble on the top of the 4th chain from the previous row. So find the 4th chain and make a treble. Perfect. Look at this. This is the bottom part of the flower. We have 2 petals. and we will make 2 petals in next row, and we will work again double trebles. Start with chain 4, which is first treble, then chain 2, then your work, make yarn over twice and treble into the next stitch. Chain 2 and then work a double treble in the middle between 2 petals. So yarn over 3 times, and in this space, in this small space between petals or between these clusters, make 3 double trebles and join 3 double trebles together. Make yarn over and pull yarn through all loops on your crochet hook. Then chain 5 and let's make the 4th petal. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over 3 times and work in the same chain space and make 3 double trebles together. So the cluster of 3 double trebles, 1, 2 and 3. Make yarn over and pull yarn through all loops on your crochet hook. Then chain 2 and make a treble into the next stitch. So make yarn over twice. Perfect, and make a treble on the top of the treble. Chain 2 and make a treble into the 4th chain from the beginning of the previous round, which is like on the top of the treble. Perfect, this is it. So you see, for one flower we need 4 windows, and one at the beginning and at the end. So chain 4, which is the first treble, chain 2, chain space, then your work, and now it will be easy. Make a treble on the top of the treble, then chain 2 and make treble on the top of the cluster, on the top of the petal, and then chain 2 and we will make a treble in the middle chain, so in the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. We are in the middle. Let's make a treble, then chain 2 and again make a treble on the top of the cluster, chain 2 and treble on the top of the next treble. Here we are, chain 2 and finish the row with the treble placed in the 4th chain we created at the beginning of the previous row. And this is it. look at this. So this is a flower pattern. You can make as many windows between flowers and as many rows between flowers as you wish. It's up to you, and you can very easily customize the size. Actually, this mesh cover is a big rectangle or big square. The measurement 6 chain spaces measures 8 centimeters, and 4 rows measure 7 centimeters. Okay, so let's measure how many rows you need for the lengths for your size, and how many windows or chain spaces for the width of your mesh cover. Okay guys, this is it. Thank you all so much for watching and for crafting along with me. I truly hope you enjoyed today's video tutorial and that your top is coming together beautifully. If you would like to keep going right away, you can find the continuation of this video tutorial right now on my Hero channel. You can find the direct link in the description box right below this video. I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to everyone who supports me on Hero. Thanks to your wonderful support, I can keep creating detailed video tutorials, testing new yarns, and sharing my love for crocheting with all of you. I deeply appreciate every single one of you. You are such an amazing community. I hope your top turns out absolutely gorgeous, fits you perfectly, and brings you so much joy to wear. I can't wait to see your finished pieces. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very soon in our next video. Bye bye!